20 years ago मैं ਜਦੋਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੀਕਲ ਦੀ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਸੀਗੀ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ 3-4 ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਆਏ ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਸੈਡ ਕਿ ਯੂ نو ਸਾਨੂੰ ਟਿਊਟਰਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਫੁੱਲ ਟਾਈਮ ਅਪ੍ਰੈਂਟਿਸਸ਼ਿਪ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹਾ ਦੇਂਗੀ I said okay in the evening I'm free I'm working as an engineer until 5 o'clock ਮੈਂ 5:30 ਘਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ nothing to do I'm like okay ਮੈਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਾ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ and then started with tutoring few students to getting to 4 students in my parents garage and taught a class for 40 hours ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ Red Seal exam ਦੀ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਸੀ so they asked me ਕਿ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਨੂੰ electrical ਦੇ basics ਪੜ੍ਹਾ ਦੇ so that we can pass the exam that's how this whole journey started as a child I always dreamt of a big brown brick wali buildings ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ something like this so ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਉਣ ਲੱਗੀ I realized ਕਿ this is something I really love to do we have even a full-fledged women program where 40 women through a fully funded program are going to get from their homes out of their living rooms onto a construction site so it's a construction training program and you will see a lot of ladies outside wearing hard hats and boots that's my dream project I really wanted to do the project because as a women of color and immigrant women of color in trades in the last 20 years personally I've taught 10,000 guys and maybe 4 females
oh wow
4 electricians compared to the remaining 9,900 do the math right personally I've taught those people so mere liye both it's hitting a home run for me ki more kudiyan skill trades which hon ta aa wale project de lai I went to the ministry and said I don't care how much you can fund but we want to teach these ladies so tell us what we can do and they ended up funding the program and now we have 40 women by end of March will be working in construction trade so it could be electrical plumbing they'll choose the trade and then that's how they're going to start their apprenticeship when I got this building in 2019 and it was empty for 1 year thanks to City of Surrey we didn't get the permits and then we started in 2018 I acquired 2019 is when the construction project started 2020 the moment we walked in here we did part 4 on March 15th or March 10th March 15th COVID happened
wow and everybody knows
so yeah the restlessness that comes with COVID and you know $50,000 worth of mortgage every month
not so easy
and I am so scared that you know something will go wrong and you know because at that time COVID protocols were so important to achieve so different courses hai apne kolo jeda under this roof there are 2 colleges ACE Trades and Technical Institute is for people who are already internationally trained let's say अगर मैं plumber हाँ या electrician हाँ या carpenter हाँ और मैं इंडिया तो आई हुई हाँ चाइना तो आई हुई हाँ ऑस्ट्रेलिया तो आई हुई हाँ मेरे को 10-5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है मैंने apprenticeship करने की लोड़ नहीं मैं directly Red Seal ਨੂੰ challenge ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ ਹਾਂ that's one pathway that's under ACE Trades and Technical Institute we teach those programs over 40 hours over a period of 6 weeks and eventually students challenge the exam and get their Red Seal ticket the second path is for ACE Community College which is for people who have no skill and they want to get into construction trades so because we are skilled trades BC designated we can teach the electrician program which is the foundation program where you can get in and 5 months later you graduate with a level 1 apprenticeship ticket so lots and lots of programs there we have green program green technology not related we have HVAC program we have mechanical trades program there's so many programs for people to get into trades and somehow find a path to advance their apprenticeship training from that point forward
and is it like full-time courses
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਸ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਕਾਲਜਸ ਦੇ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਕੋਰਸਿਸ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਮੰਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਫਰਾਈਡੇ ਤੱਕ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਸ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ ਈਵਨਿੰਗਸ ਐਂਡ ਵੀਕਐਂਡਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਉਹ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ
makes sense okay and how can they apply or register what is the first step
the first step is they should know what they are getting into so ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਐਡਵਾਈਜ਼ਰ ਨਾਲ ਅਪਾਇੰਟਮੈਂਟ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਤਾਂ 30+ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮਕੈਨੀਕਲ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਸ ਕਰਨੇ ਆ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੀਕਲ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਸ ਕਰਨੇ ਆ ਔਰ ਕਾਰਪੈਂਟਰੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਕਲੈਰਿਟੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਇਸ ਪੈਥ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਉਂ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ there is advising given
so here we have Dalvinder with us let's welcome him and ask how and what he thinks about ACE
like I'm with the Skilled Trades BC and we have apprenticeship programs at Skilled Trades BC such as construction electrician and ACE Community College offers construction electrician programs and we have apprenticeship advisors coming here speaking to students about the apprenticeship pathway and also we invigilate exams as well So really kind of support apprenticeship and support ACE Community College to ensure that the next generation of apprentices are fully trained and have the full understanding of the trade and are successful in their apprenticeship journey. And we're here to support ACE Community College to make sure it's a seamless pathway.
Amazing. How do you see future of trade?
You know, trades is definitely the way to go right now because it's in big demand. Many careers right now, people are switching to a trades career because they're well-paid jobs. It's working with your hands. Every day is a different challenge. You can see your work in the field,
Yeah.
and you know, BC needs a lot of skilled tradespeople, of course.